Yet the song Happy Days, written by Pratt McClain, because of, believe it or not, the original song they used on Happy Days, which is Rock Around the Clock, Bill Hamilton Conte 55 and had a little problem playing that on TV. Couldn't get the vote for us, along came Happy Days, which I think is a better jingle anyway. It's named after the movie. How can you go wrong with that? We've got Ralph Hector Mouth here, Mr. Johnny Muddy. Remember, his classic line always was, I still got it. And he still does have it. Welcome to it. You know, in the series, when Mark those guys wrote the script and he was playing, you know, Ralph was out there with I bought this car a little high about the end. He's actually the cool guy that lives in a car gang, called him That's right. Ralph Hector Malfi was in the general.
Hey everybody, welcome to Rodrun. I'm here at the Conte Centre again. Awesome place. Like I said, one of my favorite places in America is Pigeon Forge here in Tennessee. I'm with Alan here and amazing, beautiful ride. Alan, how's it going?
It's doing good today. How are you?
Good, good. Thanks, man. What have you got here with us?
This is a 1961 Buick Lasabre convertible. The only year model, 61, 60 and 62, totally different car. So very rare. You don't see very many. I've been coming to this show for 15 years or so and probably seen maybe 3 more convertibles ever.
I have not seen one like it at all.
Yeah, very rare. So still got the nailhead motor. So it's got a nailhead Buick motor in it.
Oh,
still
we're
got
going to have a look at that for sure.
Original Dynaflow transmission.
So how long have you had this for?
I've had it for about 15 years.
15 years. And did you have done restorations yourself?
Pretty much the car was done by a guy named Scott Carr in Oklahoma.
Okay.
And then me and my father-in-law, we have done a lot of work to it to clean it up, make it better, things like that. Put a new top on it and all that.
Okay.
Hey everybody, I do apologize about the technical difficulties here. We had some background music which I had to extract. Nonetheless, here under the hood, Alan was explaining to me about the motor, which I always want to know. So what you're looking at here is a Buick nailhead 401 cubic inch engine. And I thought it was a bit original, so Alan further explained that yes, it is an actual original engine out of a 61 Invicta. So that was pretty cool. Now the Lasabre, he just screams of luxury. It's a beautiful automobile. So of course it's very easy on the eyes, but I always like to know how the owners come across liking this. And Alan explained that his interest was sparked by his father-in-law's love of Buicks because he used to race them back in the days. And during a car show in Charlotte, Alan came across the Buick Lasabres, the classic ones. And it was then when he knew that that's the car that I want. So that's Alan's story right there. That's why he's got a big smile on his face. Again, sorry about that. Hopefully this won't be happening in the future. And enjoy the rest of the interview.
Stick windows.
Oh, okay.
We went back with a glass window. We
Right.
lowered the car. We put these Coy's wheels on it. And we've put a bigger cam in the motor. So we've done a lot of stuff to it to try to make it better.
All right, and I'm going to get you to go to the driver's side so you can show me that cool feature you've...
Yeah.
And you said a lot of people don't pick up on it, but on the dash here...
Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is called Mirror Magic.
All right, what's Mirror Magic?
You're sitting in the car, if you'll look, it's a mirror. So I can change the angle depending on the height I am to where I best see
This is
it.
amazing for shorties and for tall people.
Yeah, it's called Mirror Magic. That's what it was done.
And pretty original dash I'm looking at.
Pretty original dash, just got a late model aftermarket stereo system, flips out for a TV screen.
Nice. Very nice. Beautiful. And this is your driver?
It is a driver. Drove it 176 miles to get up here and drive it back home on Sunday evening.
Oh,
it is
man,
a driver.
good for you, because that is just a beauty to be up on the road. What are the rims here you've got?
These are Coy's wheels. He's out of Utah.
Okay.
And it's one of the first sets, original. Butch, probably what, we've had them on there maybe 10 years? Yeah. Only about 10 years. So he's actually at the show. He sells these wheels at the show.
Nice. They look good. They really complement.
They really bring out the chrome, don't they?
They do, don't they? And I love how they curved.
Yes.
They stand out. They really do stand out. Beautiful Buick. And I've always loved the Buick grills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buick grill.
You can spot it from a mile away.
Absolutely, just classy. That's what we say. Very, very classy car.
100%. And even the hood, is that custom or was that original?
Nope, that's original. It had that hood, little bump up like that. That's original.
They had it really down bad in 61.
Yeah, almost reminiscent. If you look at a Corvette Stingray, they had a hood almost very similar to that.
100%. 100%. Well, that's awesome. And your father's got...
This is my father-in-law. This is a 56 Roadmaster.
Let's have a look, because these two cars definitely caught my eye.
Yep.
So would you like to come in and tell us about your car?
Tell her about your car.
Well, let's see. This will give it some information here. So 1956
Yep.
Buick Roadmaster. The factory options are power steering, power brakes, power window, power antenna.
Wow.
And 6-way seats.
6-way seats?
Yeah.
What's that about? Can you show me?
That means it goes forward and backward, tilts 2 directions, and then the bottom tilts 2 directions.
And that would have been a big thing.
Yeah, that's unusual that they had them back then.
Yes.
But really a lot of things have been improved and worked with. Like we have a 58 Buick with a underseat heater.
Right, wow.
But it's heated by water from your radiator rather than an electric heater.
The Buicks were ahead of their time.
Yeah.
They really were, especially with the looks, but also now it looks like from the insides as well.
It's a 2-door car, and most families then were big and had 4-door cars. So there's only 12,160 made.
Wow.
It's a Seminole red.
And so how long have you had this for?
Had it since 2000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get it when it was already restored? Or did you?
No, we restored kind of as we went. First got a paint job, and then it had the factory interior for a while, and then we changed back. But now this interior is the factory type, and they had all these.
Look how comfortable this is.
Yeah. And, they loved a lot of colors. In fact, this car could be 3 colors.
3 colors.
That you had a certain paint code for the top, from here, here, from here, here.
You'd have to be, with 3 colors like that, you'd have to be careful what color combinations you're going to use.
But they would do like...
You can go wrong very quickly.
Yeah, they would do like black, charcoal, and white.
Yeah, that would be nice.
And but the brochure in the dash there shows the 3 colors of them. You know, it's crazy.
Okay. Do you have that with you? Can I see it? I mean, I'm just curious to see the 3 different color combinations people would do, because I'm loving the one color all around it with the chrome. It just looks beautiful.
And I'll show you the workmanship. There are ashtrays in here, but you can't see them.
Oh, it's a pop-up? Yep. There you go. Gotta love that.
His and hers.
His and hers.
And they had vents over there. See the 2 vents, and that opens airflow there.
So you would just press that when you needed air?
You pull it.
You pull it?
Yeah, and it's forced air.
So it's the air from outside?
It's not, it's just blowing from the car without any motor on it. Actually, it was 2 colors one time.
Oh, yeah. It's the good old dash. You know, that's what shows me that this is your driver, sir.
Oh yeah,
this is your driver.
We drive.
Gotta love it. The one thing about the Buicks is they've always screamed of luxury.
Oh yeah, this was.
Whether you're sitting up here in the front seat or you're sitting here in the back seat, and as you can see from there and even here, like with these armrests, it really screams of luxury.
And then look here, the little grab.
Look at that.
Now there's a factory dash just like this.
Just like this.
Now, here we go 3 colors.
Oh, yeah.
That would be black, charcoal, white on the bottom. There's that's had the 2 colors and white in the middle.
You know what? So I really appreciate that you've kept it all red.
I know it. Yeah.
I do like the one color. I mean, that yellow was nice too. I do like the yellow.
Yellow and black look good, and the blends of blue look good.
Yeah.
And see, there's the interior
See, look at that. It's just exactly like what you've got right here.
A lady did this for me in Williamson, South Carolina. Yeah, there's the
Beautiful.
and there's different combinations.
Now, so your son-in-law was telling me that you used to race these.
Yes, I did.
All right, tell us about that.
In the 1960s, mid-60s, I had an English Ford with a Buick motor, had a Hilbert fuel injection on it.
Yeah.
And it was the second one in South Carolina. I'd raced it probably till the early 70s. And
So is that like professionally or was it just for fun?
It was a quarter-mile drag racing.
Okay.
Yeah. We've had experiences in every area of the automotive industry.
Now, do you do any racing with this vehicle here?
No. There's the switch for the power antenna.
Okay.
Power antenna.
Yep, I can see it right there.
And you got to see this.
It's beautiful.
All the chrome under here. They love chrome back there. And
Well, it just complements the whole shape of the car.
and yeah, everything was flowed and rounded. And then the trunk is spacious.
Beautiful. Wow, it is spacious.
Very, very spacious.
Like I said, even the trunk now is luxurious. Look at that. Somebody could just take a nap in there.
I know. In fact, when we first went to the first car show, a guy came up and said, you wouldn't be familiar with drive-in movies in the 60s.
Yep.
And they would, to keep from paying, the teenagers would they'd drive something like this, their mom's car, and then they'd all get in the trunk and then push out and go back through and not have to pay.
Well, you've got the seat there. You've got the actual seat there. So.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Beautiful car. Thank you.